In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint this reindeer. I purchased this bisque from wrapitup.com. I really like this website because it shows all the items painted, and it's a really easy website to order off them. The owners are great. For the reindeer, I base coated it. I primed it with Kimple's primer and then base coated it in a cream color. And then for the project, we're going to be using the Kimple colors to do this project. I'm going to start with the scarf, and the first thing that I'm going to do is paint it with Kimple's Evergreen. And just put it on full strength. Next, take a Q-tip and start pulling back. Next, take Kimple's yellow and go over it. Go over it crossways. Take a Q-tip and pull back again crossways. Next, using Kimple's Amber, I'm going to start painting the body of the reindeer. Next, using a rag, white back. Next, using Kimple's Ebony color, I'm going to do the hooves, the feet. Using a rag, white back. Next, I painted this evergreen, and I'm going to do the top evergreen. Next, pull back. With some yellow on a Q-tip, you're going to go over it and rouge it. Next, using Kimple's Topaz, gonna do the middle part of the hat. Then pull back using a rag. And highlight it with Kimple's yellow. Using Kimple's brown, paint all the rest of the areas in brown. And with Kimple's Topaz on a Q-tip, I'm gonna just highlight the antlers. For the eyes, I'm going to be doing a green iris, and so what I like to do is whatever iris color, I like to use that as a eyeshadow. So I've lightened it up and then mixed it with a pearlizing acrylic. I'm just going to brush it up above. Paint the entire eye white. Paint your iris color. I did green. Paint your pupils black. Be sure to go black up all the way to the top on each eye. For the eyelashes, always start in the center. For the next eyelash, start at the base of your last one and up. Start at the base of the last one and go up and out. Your last eyelashes stop about here. You want space. The eyelashes should never, top eyelashes should never touch the bottom. Make sure that there's space. The bottom eyelash, start in the middle and out. Start at the base of the last one and out. And again, make sure that you have quite a bit of space between them. Flip it upside down for the other eye, starting in the inside, the inner, up and out, base of the last eyelash, and out. If this was a boy, you wanted it to be a boy, you would leave the lashes just like they are now. If it's a girl, you would go back and add more long wispy ones. The final step was I added 2 white dots in the 2 o'clock position on each eye. That's the most natural place for light to hit the eye. The last thing that I did was used Kimple's Primrose to add blush to the cheeks and the nose and the inside of the ears. And then I also used Kimple's Angel Flesh to add some warmth to the face. This is the finished item. I hope you liked the video, and I hope it inspires you to try out the Kimple colors. So happy painting!